Hi guys, this is Harshita. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. This is the first time that I'm recording a long form video in New Year. So hey, Happy New Year. This is the first time in the New Year that we are doing this one-on-one. One thing you probably know about me by now that I'm a core book lover. Although बीच में long distance हो गया था books के साथ, but now I have again decided to meet them. So ऐसा नहीं था कि I wasn't reading books at all. I was reading them and it was mostly self-help books. And this is the very first time in a very long time that I decided to read a romance novel, and I can't be more excited. So I recently completed a Dreamland Billionaire series by Lauren Asher. It has 3 books in total, and I'm so excited to review them for all of you. The first one is the fine print. Although I don't have the copy, I've lent it to one of my friends. But the second one looks like this: Terms and Conditions by Lauren Asher, and the third one goes like The Final Offer by Lauren Asher. This book, oh my god, it is so amazing. Although मैंने काफी टाइम बाद एक romantic novel पढ़ी है, which maybe added to the fact that I liked it more than I should, but I can't wait to tell you about it. I was so hooked to the story of these books that I completed in a single, like I didn't take any break in between. I completed in a single go. Starting from the plot and the stories of these books, just like we have Disneyland in reality, this book has Dreamland. And they're like crazy rich. It's like basically Walt Disney. They have their own shows, they have their own channels, they have their own Dreamland park going on. And the founder of Dreamland has recently died, and in his will, he has left certain tasks to be completed by each of his grandsons. And that is what each of these books talks about. This book contains 3 different stories for their different brothers. So only when these grandsons complete their tasks, then they will receive their share of the inheritance, otherwise not. And that's where the stories get interesting. The father of these 3 grandsons was a toxic alcoholic one, and they had a troubled childhood. And that's what is reflected in their current day personality. So in the first book, The Fine Print, the guy is very grumpy, he's always irritated, so happy लोग कभी पसंद नहीं आते. But the girl he falls in love with is very, hey, she's all sunshine, raises and daisies, whatever. So the first book was more like haters turning into lovers kind of a story, and it is not my personal choice. So the girl was kind of a ray of sunshine in the guy's grumpy life. Second book was the Terms and Conditions one, which had the story of the eldest brothers. So I liked both the characters in this book, the boy and the girl. So जो लड़का होता है, he is a proper businessman and वो अपनी family के लिए कुछ भी करेगा, go to any extent to protect his family. But that does not mean that he is caring or emotional. He is caring, but altogether to a different level. And the girl was equally smart and intelligent. एकदम टक्कर की थी लड़के की, which I really like in any story. And I thought this book would be my favorite until I read the last one, The Final Offer. This talks about the middle brother of the 3. I liked this book the most of the series because it felt like the story was real. It talked about real problems of the guy and the girl. So the lead in this book has some addiction issues, and he's a kind of brother who does not have any interest whatsoever in business, and he thinks himself as a failure. This boy is a sweetheart and he's a core romantic at heart, but due to his alcoholism, he faces a lots of issues in his relationships and the girl he loves. And I think that's why I like this book the most, because इनके problems, इनके relationship problems काफी real लग रहे थे. Readers can connect to it. And the character development, oh my god. This book also has a family in this. That's why my heart melted more times than I can count. So when I read the first book of the series, I thought it's a common story like the haters turning into lovers thing. But I was so glad that I continued reading this because every book had a different storyline, of course, and the characters were completely different from one another. Although the redemption of these 3 brothers was somewhat similar only, but again, it's a love story. What else can you expect? One thing I absolutely liked about this book series was it wasn't like कि एक बार देखा and fireworks everywhere. The characters worked towards each other. The pace of the book was really good. I could imagine each and everything. घर कैसा है, रास्ता कैसा है, लोग कैसे हैं, eyes का color कैसा है, windows कैसी है. I could imagine each and everything very vividly. And I guess that's the thing about books that I love the most, कि आप हर चीज़ imagine कर पाते हो. I immediately lose interest जब मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि हो क्या रहा है. Long story short, I highly recommend this book series. You should definitely give it a read. And if you are a romantic by heart like me, you will definitely love it. That is all for today's video. I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comment section below which book would you like me to read and review next. I'll be more than happy to do it. Also, if you want me to include any more pointers than I already have, please let me know that as well. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.